Okay, doing a quick video here.
Go buy it.
My cousin David is playing White Noise, and this is Alyssa, aka Infinity Anchor, who is avoiding the camera. This is also David's first time playing White Noise, and I want to get his reaction on film.
What is this? Yeah, get that on video, Aaron. And that too.
Okay. That's how you don't drink soda.
Look around.
Oh, I didn't know there was a library in this map. Ooh, look at the library. Go back to the library! Go through the things. Go behind the shelves and see if there's a recorder. Because if there's gonna be anything, if there's gonna be one, it's gonna be around there. Oh,
There's one by you. Look down.
go
Look up. That noise is
tape recorder. Go more to the
try
right.
to follow the sound.
That way.
Wait. Turn right. It's gotta be there.
Hey, you're close. It's on the other side of it.
Maybe not.
Are you getting?
I'm gonna put my drink down before I get scared and drop it.
Oh, if you were to, I would get that on video. No, you're trying to find a recording, and you're close to it, because I hear the buzzing.
It's good? Where is it? Like,
Is it hiding in the back or something?
No, it'll be out in the open.
it's scared me. There's someone walking up that. Don't go.
That's
No.
the.
He died.
Well, that was anticlimactic. So apparently, my cousin is not half as afraid as either me or Alyssa when playing this game.
But then again,